Hi, so today I'm going to share with you how the fees work on the Lbank cryptocurrency exchange. I'm going to share with you step by step any detail that I can give you. Let's get straight onto the video. Alright, so the first step is you need to come to the Lbank website. I will leave a link in the description. You will need to go just down to the bottom and I'll share with you where you can find the actual fees, where you will see the fee structure in general. So you can see right here, the fee rate right here. So what you want to do is just click on that. So now we're going to go over the fee rate here. So you got a couple of fee rate here that you got like spot trading, which is just your main wallet where you buy cryptocurrency and you store cryptocurrency. So on your spot wallet is just your main wallet really in a way. And then you got your futures trading wallet, which is just someone that looking to trade with futures. So people trading with futures is just predicting where the actual cryptocurrency will be in the future. That's the easiest way I can explain that. So the fees are different on both. And the reason for that is because you're trading. This is a trading rate. So someone that's doing like trading quite often. And then you got someone that's doing just trading here and there, maybe like buying and putting into their account and holding it. So let's go over the maker fee. So maker fee and taker fee. So the easiest way to explain the maker fee is pretty much you're adding liquidity. So you're adding cryptocurrencies to the market. You could be calling this like adding money to the market in a way as well. And then a taker is just simply taking liquidity. So taking money or taking cryptocurrencies out of the market. That's the easiest way to explain it. I do have a little guide here that explains it a little bit better than I do. To be deemed a maker order, that would be a maker needs to place a buy order lower in the price than the lowest sell order, or sell an order that is higher in price than the highest buy order needs to be placed by the trader. The drawback of being a maker in this role is that it may take some time until the set price is triggered and the order is filled. So the maker is adding liquidity, so adding cryptocurrency to the market, but it could take a while before the order is filled. So that's what a really maker is. So it's a bit of being patient in a way. So you're putting an order a little bit above the market or a little bit below the market price, and your order isn't taken until that time. So that's what a maker is. So taker, on the other hand, are counterparts of maker. Takers are taking liquidity out of the order books. Orders they can immediately fill. So they're immediately making orders and getting it filled straight away. That is what a taker is. So you're instantly taking a market order. So you're just instantly purchasing a market order. So you're going to get a taker fee with that. Now, if you're doing taker fee right here, it is the same for either way. So it doesn't really matter either way if you're a maker or a taker if you're just doing trading. So it doesn't really matter at all. And they explain it right here a little bit. As you can see, a maker increases the depth of the market, so forth here. And then of course you got the futures trading where it is a bit higher, the fees if you're a taker, and the market fee, maker fee is lower than the taker fee. So you're more beneficial being a maker, but that can't be always the case. If you're doing futures trading, you can't always be a maker. So it doesn't really matter here, but they are giving incentives to be a maker more than a taker. So I hope I explained it a bit better. I hope you understand it. If you do have any more questions, feel free to let me know in the description below. So you can then look down at the withdrawal fees. So this is withdrawing cryptocurrency from out of Lbank exchange. So these are the fees that are for the network, mostly for the network. Yes, sometimes the exchanges have a bit of control over this and increase the fees, but for you personally, you just want to stay away from withdrawing high network fee cryptocurrencies, which for example, the highest one is like ERC20. So anything like Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're expensive to withdraw from the exchanges. Their fees are very high and their gas fees are very high. So you will get a massive fee if you're looking to withdraw like ERC tokens. And that's the network name here. You can see the network name right here, and you can see there's no internal fee. There's no internal fees. This is all just actual fees from the networks. Thanks for watching the video. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the comments below. So if there's more details on the fees that you want, please feel free to let me know. I really do appreciate it. And if you do want to sign up to Lbank, I will leave a link in the description below. I'll see you later.